I'm going to show you some of the features of the Wiki so you can understand how easy it is to use. I'm starting at the home page of the service. I'm clicking on My Page, which any of you can do. It takes you to a page which is intended just for you. Most people will use it to show their contact details. In this case, it's been set up with the details of one of the architects of this service. There's his smiling face, as well as his contact details. You don't need to do that in your own page, but it might help others find you when they need to. Now, one of the features of the Wiki is the ability to create a new page, and this will automatically create a new page underneath the page you're on. Let's just create a new page now so you can start to see how it works. It creates a new page and opens up the Wiki editor, which you're going to use extensively as you customize the Ready plan. It doesn't give a page name, so let's give it a page name. Let's call this Notepad. This is a page I'm going to use to store things. Okay. Let's get rid of this stuff. You will notice that this is a what you see is what you get kind of editor, somewhat similar to Microsoft Word. We have bold, italics, and underline. You can set up numbered bullets and ordinary bullets. You can left justify and right justify. You can indent and so on. There are other features that are peculiar to a wiki. For example, you can establish a link, which is how you set up a hyperlink heading off to another page. You can include an image. You can even include a video like this one. You can create a table. So I'm going to start off by setting up my to-do list. That's just in normal font. Let's make this a level 1 heading. Okay, let's start writing out my to-do list as numbered bullets. How about this one? Learn to type. Then read the Wiki user manual. I still need to learn how to type. Okay, let's make another level 1 heading for my shopping list. Let's make this another numbered list. Say, jug of wine, a loaf of bread. A loaf of bread. And that will be enough of my shopping list. Now you notice we have 2 headings. So let's create a table of contents above the first heading. And I'll use something that's called DekiScript. You don't need to know much about DekiScript. This is probably the only statement you'll need to know. It creates a table of contents for you. So I've given the page a name, Notepad. Set up the table of contents. I've got 2 level 1 headings with some numbered bullets underneath them. Let's save the page and see what it looks like. Well, there you go. We've saved the page and it looks like that. This is my table of contents, and if I click right here, it takes me directly to the to-do list section. If I hit the home key, it takes me back to the top of the page. If I click on the shopping list in the table of contents, it takes me directly to the shopping list section of the page. A table of contents is maybe not so important in such a small page, but if your page is many screens worth of information, the table of contents will be very helpful to you. If you have already taken a look at the Ready plan, you'll know what I mean. When printed, the Ready plan can be well over 70 pages. I think what else I'm going to do is restrict my access to my Notepad. This is the More button, available to you in the menu at the top of every page. You can attach files to this page. You can move the page somewhere else underneath another page. You can delete the page and other tasks. I'm going to restrict access to this page because this is my to-do list. I don't want anyone else to see it. I want to be private, so there you go. I'm the only one who can look at it. There we go. I've restricted access now, and you will see that it has updated my permissions. There's a little lock telling me that access for this page is restricted. The only other important thing you need to know is how to print a page. You click on the Print Page button here, and it takes you off to the Print Page window. You have 2 choices when you get here. You can actually print the page directly on paper on a printer, either locally or network attached. That's how you select your printer. That's the normal Windows printer selection window. Or you can save the page as a PDF. This is very interesting because it lets you create a PDF file, which you can then print, or you can save it by clicking here, and now you can save it on your hard drive. Call it what you want and save it wherever you want. And now you have an electronic version of that particular page. This will be very useful when you have customized your Ready Plan and you want to create a PDF version of the Ready Plan so you can take it with you on your laptop, print a paper version with a full table of contents with page numbers, store it on another server in another office, or email it to your personal email address. That way, you will always have a copy of the Ready Plan, electronic or paper, available to you, no matter what happens out there. So I think that's enough for now. Thanks, and bye now.